Someone told me today, Jumi, you're always blooming. And I laughed. Not a cute laugh, the kind of laugh that comes from your diaphragm and your destiny. Because people love to narrate your season without ever seeing your weather report. They see your confidence and assume you're in summer. Like you're just frolicking through a field of sunflowers 24/7 without a single allergy. Meanwhile, sometimes you're in winter. Sometimes you're in quiet rebuilding. Sometimes you're in deep rest. Sometimes you're in a season that looks nothing like what people project onto you. And that's why today matters. Your inner season, the one your spirit is actually in, doesn't need external approval. Before we go deeper, stay with me until the end, because I'm going to share the exact phrase I say to myself when people expect me to be in a season I'm not in. Welcome to the inner season. Let me tell you something about myself. I have never felt ashamed of who I am. Not with polio, not even my story or my journey. My personality has always entered the room before I do. But there have been seasons, quiet, internal, deeply personal seasons where people assumed I was blooming simply because I was glowing. They saw my confidence and mistook it for momentum. They saw my joy and mistook it for productivity. They saw my presence and mistook it for readiness. Meanwhile, inside, I was in a season of deep recalibration. I wasn't broken, lost, or ashamed. I was just becoming. And here's the phrase I promised you, the one I say to myself when people misread my season. They're seeing my shine, not my season. Your season is not a performance. It's the truth. And truth doesn't need an audience. If you're navigating a season people keep misinterpreting, I created a companion PDF guide to help you map your pace without external noise. The link is in the description. But stay with me first. Let's go deeper. There's a specific kind of pressure that comes with being someone who shines naturally. People assume you're always ready, always strong, always blooming, always on, like a human light bulb never flickering. Trust me, I flicker. Sometimes I'm a strobe light. But your spirit has its own rhythm. Your body has its own calendar. Your destiny has its own timeline. And sometimes the season you're in privately does not match the season people expect from you publicly. I've had moments where people said, Jumoke, you're glowing. And inside my spirit whispered, I'm resting. People said you're unstoppable. And inside my soul whispered, I'm slowing down. People said you're blooming. And inside my body whispered, I'm rebuilding. It wasn't because I was hiding. Not because I was ashamed. But because my season is mine and not theirs. Your season is not a group project. It's a personal covenant. I didn't just wake up with this clarity. I had to build a system to protect my peace when the world wanted me to be on. Here's the toolkit I use to stay grounded. Step 1. Name your season. Say it out loud. I know where I am. Your clarity is your anchor. Step 2. Release external timelines. Your season does not need to align with anyone's expectations. Your pace belongs to you and no one else. Step 3. Be honest about your energy. Ask yourself, how much capacity do I actually have today? And be honest. If the answer is, I have enough energy to put on one sock and that's it, then that's your truth for today. Move from truth to performance. Step 4. Anchor your body. When your mind gets loud, drop into your body. Your body always tells the truth about your season. And now I'm going to show you something I've never shared before. A 60-second trick to pull your brain out of the noise and back into your body. Wherever you are, give me 60 seconds. Place both feet flat on the ground. Uncross your legs. Let your weight settle into your heels. Feel the floor holding you. Now, inhale slowly and imagine your breath traveling down your spine, into your hips, into your thighs, into your knees, into your feet. Hold it and exhale gently. Let your shoulders fall. Let your stomach soften. Let your jaw unclench. Again, inhale. Feel your feet grounding you. Feel your body saying, I know where I am. Hold and exhale everything. Your feet are telling the truth. You are grounded. You are present. You are safe in your season. Repeat after me slowly. My season is mine. My pace belongs to me. My becoming is unfolding exactly as it should. I honor the rhythm of my spirit. I trust the timing of my life. I am allowed to be exactly where I am. I do not need external approval to validate internal truth. I am aligned. I am grounded. I am becoming beautifully, boldly, and on time. If this episode brought you home to yourself, please don't rush out of this space. Stay here. Honor your season. Subscribe to the podcast. Download the companion PDF guide. Join our global sanctuary from Polio to Pixels, where we turn constraints into digital power. May your season be true. May your pace be sacred. And may your becoming be undeniable. I'll see you in the comments.